How to add Visa gift card to your Uber Eats account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add Visa gift card to your Uber Eats account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.ubereats.com. You will then be led to the official webpage of Uber Eats, so make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to add Visa gift card to your Uber Eats account, go ahead and tap on the three lines you see on the top left of your screen and further tap on the wallet option. You will then see the Add Payment Method option under the Payment Method tab. Tap on that. Now, in the pop-up that appears, tap on the Spend option and further tap on the Credit or Debit Card option. You will then be required to enter your card details, that is your card number, expiration date, security code, and country. So go ahead and enter all these details correctly and tap on the Add Card button, and with this your Visa gift card will be added successfully. So this is how you can add Visa gift card to your Uber Eats account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.